Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Noor Kids Academy. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine. Today is our second class of Adobe Illustrator and today we will learn direct selection tool. In our previous class we will learn selection tool and in our today class we will learn direct selection tool. And also I am telling you what is the difference between selection tool and direct selection tool. So let's get started. Where is your direct selection tool? The second tool is your direct selection tool. The shortcut key of your direct selection tool is A. When you press A, your direct selection tool is activated. But first of all, I am creating a shape with the help of rectangle tool. The shortcut key of rectangle tool is M. If you want to create a perfect square, press Shift key to create a perfect square. If you want to resize, rotate, copy your shape or object, so select your selection tool. You will resize it, rotate it, copy it with the help of selection tool. But today our topic is direct selection tool. So what is the uses of direct selection tool? Direct selection tool is also creates a copy of your shape. Select your direct selection tool, press Alt key and you will create your copy. See, your copy is generated. But direct selection tool is not resize and not rotate your shape. But yes, it is reshape to your object. How? Select, see, here you can see some corners. This is your anchor points, okay? This is your anchor points. And this is your path. See, you are seeing a line. This is your path and this is your anchor points. Select your direct selection tool and if you want to reshape to your object, select individual anchor points and move it. See, your square is changed into another shape. This is not your square, okay? So, direct selection tool is used to reshape to your object, artwork and design. You can select multiple anchor points and you move it and reshape your design. So here you can see some circles inside the square. You can see small circles. This is your curve point. If you want to convert your corner to curve, select individual point and select this circle and move it inside. See, your corner is changed into curve. This is not your corner, it is changed into curve. You can select multiple anchor points and select this circle, move it inside. See, so direct selection tool is used to reshape your object. Okay, so if you select individual points, here you can see some properties of individual anchor points. The first is convert to corner. When you click on this option, so here nothing is happening. Why? Because it is already a corner. This is not a curve, it is already corner, so you are not see any difference. But the second option is convert to curve. When you click on this button, see, your corner is converting to curve and you can see two lines. This is your handles. And what is the uses of these handles? The uses of this handle is you will adjust your curve like this. Okay. If you want to convert your curve into corner, so you will select your first option. C. It is convert your curve into corner. Okay. The second option is show multiple handles. What is the mean of show multiple handles? When you select two anchor points. When you select two anchor points and you convert into curve. So I already click on this button. So see, you are see the handles. But when I'm disable this option, see, you are not seeing your curve handles. You are not see your curve handles when I am selecting this option. But if you want to see your curve handles, so select your first option, show multiple handles. Okay, and you adjust your curve with the help of these handles like this. Okay. The another option is remove selected anchor point. It means when you click on this button, it is remove your anchor point. See, when I am clicking on this button, it is remove your anchor point. Easy. Another option is cut path at selected anchor point. It is cut your path at selected anchor point means when you click on this button, see it is break your paths. Okay, it is break your path. But if you want to connect it again, so select another option. See, it is another option, connect selected end points. Connect. When you click on this button, your paths are connected. See, it is connected again. If you want to break it, so click on cut button, and if you want to connect it, so click on connect button. Okay, it's easy. So you can make many different shapes with the help of direct selection tool. If you want to create a leaf, how you can create a leaf? Okay, direct selection tool is also used all of your shapes. Okay, not in only square. In fact, if you create an ellipse, it is also work on ellipse tool. Okay. So here I am selecting my direct selection tool. See, circle also have anchor points 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to reshape your circle, select individually anchor points and move it like this, and you will reshape your circle. See, this is not your previous circle. This is your previous shape and this is your current shape. So I hope that you understand what I am trying to say. So you can also convert your circle into square. How? Select your individual anchor points and click on your first button, convert into corner. Select individual anchor points and choose your first option, convert into corner. Okay, see? And after this, select your selection tool to rotate your object and rotate it 45 degrees. See? You are make a square with the help of direct selection tool. This is not your square. You are make a circle and you convert your circle into square. Okay. And also you can convert your square into circle. How? When you draw your square, and if you want to convert into circle, select all the anchor points of your square. Okay. And select these circles and move it inside your square. See, your square change into circle. So I hope that you understand how you can reshape to your objects. So if you want to create a leaf with the help of direct selection tool, you will also create a leaf with the help of direct selection tool. Make an ellipse. Okay, and after this, select the top anchor point and choose first option, convert into corner. Select the bottom anchor point, choose first option, convert into corner. See, ellipses convert into your leaf. So you can reshape your artwork with the help of direct selection tool. Okay, so there are many advantages of direct selection tool. You can create many shapes with the help of direct selection tool. Okay, I am selecting my rectangle tool by pressing M, and I am creating a rectangle. Okay, after this, I am taking a copy of this with the help of Alt and Shift key. Select your direct selection tool, select your individual anchor points and select your individual anchor point, move it over here at the center of this square. Okay, and if you want to apply a fill color in it, so you can also apply over here. Double click on your swatch option and you can select any color that you would be like. Okay, I'm selecting my selection tool and resize it, and I move it over here to this shape. Okay, and I'm selecting a color from here, this color. Okay, and if you want to create a box, select your rectangle tool by pressing M. This is a shortcut key of your rectangle tool. If you want to make a perfect square, so please press Shift key to make a perfect square. Okay, press Alt and Shift key to make a copy. Okay, I am creating two copies over here. Make sure it is aligned. Your smart guides is always guide you. If your smart guides are not on, so go to your view menu and check out your smart guide option. The shortcut key of your open a smart guide is Ctrl U. Okay, so if you want to make a box, so select your direct selection tool. Select the upper points of your this square, move it over here like this. Select these anchor points and move it over here. See, your box shape is ready. You can also apply in fill color. And let's make one more thing with the help of direct selection tool. If you want to create a drops like your ellipse tool, select your direct selection tool and select your top of anchor point, convert into corner from here, and your drop border is ready. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.